So I started Abbott's Auto in 2007, and I did that for 18 years. I've always had a passion for doing metal work and fabrication. We did that on the side a little bit. I kind of wanted to get out of the cars and go full blow on the metal fabrication side, and so we just took the big step and started that 3 years ago with CA Weld Fab. We strive to make everything good for all of our customers. Myself and RJ went and got 3G structural certified so we could do millwright work and stuff like that. We do a lot of that, working on cranes and shear cranes and shearing equipment. We wanted to be able to cut parts for the cranes, and that's where the FlexJet came in hand, because we had a plasma table, but it wouldn't do the bigger stuff that we wanted to do. I was searching, I wanted somebody that was local to me, and Flex came up, and I called the sales rep and had multiple conversations and was happy with what I was hearing. I looked at some other brands and stuff, and I wanted a 5-axis jet, and everything fell into place with Flex. Well, one of the big things in our area is that there's nobody else in our area that has a 5-axis water jet, so I wanted to be able to utilize that and be able to get the work for the jet. And so far that's panning out. Pretty much we just use our other equipment. We have the OTC welder, pulse welder, that we do aluminum welding with, so when we have to cut parts for a customer, we are able to weld them. We're not going to turn nothing down. There's pretty much nothing that we can't handle. I like the challenging stuff, anything that's come up to us that other companies can't fix. I like them kind of jobs, so we're not afraid to take on anything. But we do like to make homemade smokers, and we sell them on the side. And just got to call our phone number. We're working on the website right now.